Hey there, this problem is a lot like problem C. It's almost exactly the same. So let's just read it and make sure we understand. In Randomton Middle School, Mr. Marx's pre-algebra classes have 46 students and make up 2/5 of all the students in 7th grade. How many students are in 7th grade? Okay, so again, we're going to do a quick drawing of this with a bar diagram here. 0 and 0. In this case, there's no percentages, so I'm just going to say one whole is, so we have the whole, one whole, which is the 7th grade here, right? Because that's what they say. How much are in the 7th grade? That's the whole amount. And then because it's fifths, you could also think of this as 5/5, right? 5 out of 5 is one whole. All right, well, 2/5 is a little bit less than half, so maybe there. 2/5 of the students, and they say 46 students, let's see. Pre-algebra classes have 46 students, and that makes up, so the 2/5 of the students are 46. 46, and that makes up 2/5 of all the students. So these 2/5 of the grade are worth 46 students. So using the same logic we did on C, you can pretty quickly see that if 2/5 is worth 46, you could find out what 1/6 is worth just by taking half, right? So 2/5, this piece of the whole is 46. 1/5 would be worth what? And then you could use that to multiply up. A quick estimate shows me that 46 is a little bit less than half. Maybe this is like 100 over here, right? So that's like about where I'm going to get up here. That's my estimate. So I could use this logic here, and I'm just going to show you that a little differently than I did it in C, but it's the same basic idea. I could put my fraction here and my amount here. I know that 2/5 is worth 46, so 1/5 is half as much. That's divide by 2, and that's going to be 23 is worth 1/5. Well, to get up to one whole, I multiply by 5. And I know a lot of you aren't drawing this table out, but as long as the logic is there, it's all good. So that's going to be 115 equals 5/5, or a whole. And there we go, which was pretty close to my estimate of 100. And there you go. So that's another way to do it with the table. Of course, you can solve it any way you like. All right.